Phrasal verbs with pick. Pick out. Meaning: to choose someone or something from a group of people or things. For example, he was picked out from dozens of applicants for the job. For example, he was picked out as the best employee of the year. For example, he picked out a green tie. For example, he picked out the ripest strawberry for me. Pick out. Meaning: to recognize, find, or identify someone or something in a group of people or things. For example, can you pick him out in this photo? For example, can you pick out the differences between these two pictures? Pick off. Meaning: to remove something from something such as a tree, a plant, etc. For example, he carefully picked off the ripest apples from the tree. Pick up. Meaning: to lift something or someone up. For example, he bent down to pick up the heavy box. For example, the phone rang and I picked it up. For example, can you pick up the baby? For example, Dad, can you pick me up? Pick up. Meaning: to collect someone or something from somewhere. For example, he picked up his package from the post office. For example, he picked up his family from the airport. Pick yourself up. Meaning: to stand up from the ground after you have fallen. For example, he stumbled during the race but quickly picked himself up and continued running. Pick up. Meaning: to answer the phone. For example, could you pick up the phone? Someone is calling you. For example, the phone rang and nobody picked up. Pick up. Meaning: to increase. For example, sales have picked up 10% this year. For example, the rain is picking up now. Pick up speed. Meaning: to go faster or increase speed. For example, the train will pick up speed once it leaves the station. Pick up. Meaning: to improve. For example, the company's performance is beginning to pick up again. Meaning: to get better, stronger, etc. to improve. For example, his health started to pick up once he changed his diet. Pick up. Meaning: to make someone feel better or improve someone's mood or energy. For example, a warm cup of tea can often help to pick you up. Pick up. Meaning: to resume something after a break or continue or start again. For example, we will pick up our work after lunch. Pick up. Meaning: to receive an electronic signal. For example, my cell phone never picks up a signal when I am in the house. Fill in the blanks. 1. Means to lift something or someone up from the ground, floor, table, or any flat surface. Pick up. 2. He tripped on the sidewalk, but quickly himself and continued walking. Picked up. 3. Let's. Where we left off yesterday. Four. His language skills started to after attending the language course. Pick up. 5. Means to go somewhere in your car and collect someone who is waiting for you. Thank you for watching and listening. Click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more videos. Don't forget to like and share.